Hey guys, welcome back to the second part of the video of CSS series. Now in this one I'm going to talk about how you can add box shadows to whatever element you would want to add it to. So let's say you want to add a shadow to maybe a button, to let's say a particular section inside of your funnel. This is how you can do it inside of Clickfunnels. Okay, so you need to go to cssmatic.com and then just head on to the box shadow area. Okay, now adjust the shadow as you would want. Now I will highly recommend you to not use hard shadows because those are basically like very hurting to the eye. What you can simply do is you can reduce the opacity and you can change the horizontal length. Let's say we keep it at 0. This is what I like to use when it comes to using shadows. Just increase the spread radius a bit, blur it of course, reduce it a bit. Okay, once you have the shadow that you like, all you need to do is just copy this, put it inside this particular section, paste it, and then just copy the whole stuff, head on to Clickfunnels. So now just head on to the custom CSS section, just paste the code that you just copied. Let's say you want to highlight this particular section. Make sure you give it some spacing or padding so that the section is quite visible. Let's say 15, and then go ahead and copy the custom ID sector and then paste it over here. Done. So as you can see, the shadow is popping up. Now it might seem that the background is different from what it is over here, but the truth is, like, the shadow has black inside of it, right? So that's why it is just distinguishing this particular section from the background. So that's how you can add shadows inside of Clickfunnels, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and keep creating for a change.